What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Cav the Gamer, not your average gaming channel, of course. Now in today's video I'm going to be changing the Lexus IS250's front grille from original standard to a sort of more updated look. It is quite it's not fully blacked out, so we'll still have the chrome surround, but it does look slightly different to the original. My opinion, looks really good. A lot of you have been commenting on the other previous Lexus video I've done. Give us some more Lexus content. We want to see more. I have listened to you guys. I do read the comments on all the videos, so here it is, some more Lexus content for you all. Hope you will enjoy the video. If you do, please do hit that like button up there, and don't forget to subscribe up there. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think of the video? What mods do you want to see next on a Lexus, or even on my Mercedes C-Class, because I haven't really done much to my C-Class. If you want to see some mods, let me know in the comment section. Let me know what you think we should do next, and we'll try and make it happen for you guys. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Bearing in mind, I do have to one thing to say to you all. At the end of the video, you will see the Lexus looks very different to the video where it's filmed of us actually putting the black grille, and that is because in the last part of the video it is a bit more updated, because I did shoot the black grille video quite a while ago. The end video shows the Lexus actually has a carbon fiber PPF film wrapped on the bonnet, and the headlights have been tinted. So if you want to see the carbon fiber bonnet PPF film in a lot more detail, let me know in the comment section below and I can show you that more. But that was a little teaser of what's more to come. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I'll be back soon. Take care. So guys, we've managed to take off the original grille. That's off completely. As you can see, it was held down by a few screws hidden behind here. Quite hard to see when you're looking for the engine bay, but we managed to successfully take it off without breaking anything, which is great. The chrome surround, that will still be used, and that is going to be going pretty much like that over the new grille. I may suggest to my brother wrapping this chrome surround black, so then everything is all black in the front of the car, as you can tell. But yeah, that's where we're at so far. Don't worry about this part here. That will be going back onto the car as everything else. Yeah, we're nearly there. Let's keep going. So I've managed to finally take the original badge off the car, which was held down by a lot of extra strong glue. Props to Lexus for that. So now this badge here will in theory go somewhere like that. Oh, is it right there? Something like that. So after removing the old Lexus badge and realising it was held up by extra sticky glue, we have decided that we need to now stick on the old badge, the new grille, using some black extra badge tape. Don't know exactly what it's called, but it's the stuff that I use to hold car badges on anyway. We're just gonna put some of that on the new badge, new grille, and hopefully the old original badge will fit straight on there and be solid. putting the grill bits back together. It's pretty much done, but there's one thing I forgot to show you guys and highlight are, what are those?